Hi, this is Meshell from Emigh Ace Hardware. And if you notice after the last storm that you've got some leaks in your gutter or your roof, come on down to your local Emigh Hardware and we have a plethora of products to help you with that problem before the big storms come and you have a bigger problem. We have things that you can put in a caulking tube for small jobs. We've got larger sizes for all kinds of things. We've got good, better, and best as far as quality goes. There's many to choose from. Just to show you a few, this one's a crystal clear, lifetime durability, and it's also paintable. This one's probably our most popular. It can be applied even in the pouring down driving rain, like you want to be on the roof in the driving rain, but this will do the job. And this one's one of our top of the line. It's a tripolymer sealant. It applies in damp, dirty, or even oily situations. Remains flexible and adheres to asphalt shingles and many other roofing type things. This is one of our top of the line best products. Chances are your gutters are probably filled with leaves. This is a great tool for getting that out before you do your repairs. And we also carry a lot of other products for helping put your gutters back into working condition or if they need to be replaced. Also consider getting one of these that fits both round and square downspouts, and it helps with clogging. Another great product is your gutter guard. We have lots of these in a couple different styles. Come on down to your local Emigh Ace Hardware today.